Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by arranging the files so the TV can find subtitles immediately. Copy the movie and the SRT or AS into the same folder and make sure both file names match exactly. Once done, check your TV's supported formats or decide to use an external player, USB stick, DLNA server, or casting device. Also, make sure the subtitle file uses UTF-8 encoding to avoid garbled text. If not, convert it on your computer before moving files. Now load the movie. Plug in the USB drive or access your DLNA/cast source and open the file in the TV's media player. During playback, press the Options or Subtitle button to enable captions, then select the matching subtitle file. You might need to change encoding to UTF-8 in the menu to display characters correctly, and if dialogue is out of sync, use the subtitle delay adjustment, usually in milliseconds, to nudge lines earlier or later until audio and text align. To finish, verify the subtitle language, font size, color, and vertical position so text doesn't overlap UI elements. If subtitles won't load, try simple fixes. Rename the subtitle to match the movie file name, re-encode to UTF-8, or use another app or device. One reliable solution is remuxing. Once you remux subtitles into the movie container, for example, MKV or MP4, with a tool like MKV Toolnix, the TV treats them as embedded, which usually eliminates compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.